Hello, today we will guide you through how to create subdomain in Cloudflare. To begin, open your Cloudflare account homepage in your browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the account dashboard where your connected domains are listed. From here, select the sample domain you want to work with. This will open that domain's management area, where Cloudflare gives you access to settings for security, performance, and DNS. Next, look for the DNS section in the top navigation and click it. The DNS area is where you manage the records that control how your domain and subdomains point to different services. After that, make sure you are on the Records tab. This is the section that shows all current DNS entries for the domain. Now click. Add record to create a new DNS entry for your subdomain. When the new record form appears, click on the type field and choose Syname. A Syname record is commonly used when you want a subdomain to point to another domain name instead of directly to an IP address, which makes it a popular choice for many hosting setups. In the name field, enter the sample name for your subdomain. This is the part that appears before your main domain. For example, if your main domain is already set up, this name becomes the prefix that creates the full subdomain address. Then move to the target field and enter the sample target. This target tells Cloudflare where that subdomain should point. Be careful to enter it exactly as intended, since even a small typo can prevent the subdomain from resolving correctly. After that, turn off proxy status. This means the record will be set to DNS only instead of being routed through Cloudflare's proxy. This setting is sometimes necessary depending on the service you're connecting the subdomain to, especially if the destination expects direct DNS resolution. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the record. After saving, the new subdomain entry will appear in your DNS records list. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to propagate, so if the subdomain does not work immediately, give it a few minutes and try again. That's it. You've successfully created a subdomain in Cloudflare by adding a CNAME record, entering the subdomain name and target, disabling proxy status, and saving the record.